Let's randomly ask a person, what are the top universities in the world? They might tell you Harvard, Stanford, or Oxford. Today, we're going to take Oxford. What does it take to study in Oxford for your undergraduate program? So I'm going to start with Bachelor's of English Language and Literature. You can be from CBSE syllabus or ICSE or IB. Doesn't matter, but you must have 95 percentage in above. Also, you must take TOEFL or IELTS 7.5 plus, TOEFL 110 plus. It is a 3 years program. So the first year is considered as a prelims year where the student typically studies medieval literature, Victorian and Romantic era works, modern and contemporary works in English literature. The final years are year 2 and 3, where the students study some core periods such as 1500 or Shakespeare, and also in the final year, year 3, where the student does film criticism, post-colonial literature works, and Old Norse and prepare a dissertation. That's what the entire 3 years the students typically spend at Oxford University. Is known for its legacy towards humanities, scientific inventions, and medical science. First of all, the Oxford University has produced more number of presidents, prime ministers, and ministers across the world. Almost 31 prime ministers of the UK are from the Oxford University. And we have Indira Gandhi studied at Oxford University. And Oxford University has a Bodleian library, which has around 13 million books. Here is the application timeline if you are going to study in year 2027. Your UCAS submission opens on September 2, 2026. So you must fill your application before October 15, 2026. Then you have an admission test. Typically, they test your literature skills or English skills on October 21. Then you will have to submit your written work, which is your statement of purposes, motivation letters by November 10 of this year. Followed by there will be an interview on December 1 of this year. Then the decision about your applications will be announced to you on 13th January 2027 next year. Then your program start date at Oxford University next year 2027 October 5. Let's talk about one important parameter, which is your funding or your tuition fee. How much it costs to study at University of Oxford. The entire 3-year tuition fee is around 1,30,648 pounds, roughly 40,000 pounds per year. So the 3-year, the entire course fees comes to 1.6 crore rupees for the tuition fee alone. In addition to this, you'll also have expenditures like living costs and insurance and other things. So if you have around 2 crore rupees, you can study at Oxford University. That's it. But you also can apply to some fellowships, Reach Oxford Scholarship, Simon June Lee Scholarships, or available. Follow Learner's Cortex page for more information about universities abroad and how to prepare for the tests like SAT, GRE, GMAT, IELTS, and TOEFL. Thank you.